Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Today, we put everything in the ground. We're here to look at the flowers. Okay, the Monarda's pretty much peaked. And there's that zinnia. Dahlias are starting to open up. Very nice, pretty one back there. And then this is a prize winner. And they're all budding up too. Well, Lavender's pushing its way out, making itself possible. Thyme, oxalis, and the coleus. Again, very nice. And then, of course, these gooseberries just thriving. Yeah. In the sunshine and everything. Look at that. I'm gonna have a rooftop of squash. Alright, yeah, those beans just popped right up in a week, huh? And then, strays. Alright, let's get to it. You know me, don't waste any time. Knife it in. Get a good bed. I pre-watered the pots, so they're really nice to go in. Look at that. And all these goodies that were here, you know where they went. They went in the ground. So we got some beans over here. Looking very nice and healthy and happy. Look at that. Amongst all the other stuff. And we got a couple of more plants over here. Here's one. Boy, aren't they reaching for the sun. And then, of course, we put every other plant in there. Eggplant's a little dirty from getting watered too hard. Got some lavenders. Come on over here. We threw out some sweet peas, marigolds, lavender, everything that was in there. Threw it up in the front, finished planting things. Cukes are looking very happy. Look at those babies go. All right. Mid-July, Durango, Colorado. Here it is from the outside. Look at those morning glories climbing up. Looking good. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.